The first thing to understand is this. Yes, an XLR is capable of carrying audio signals over very long distances without picking up noise, but to take advantage of the full capabilities of an XLR cable, you'll need more than just a simple adapter. If you're connecting two pieces of pro audio equipment, you'll likely be connecting a balanced output to a balanced input. And in these scenarios, a simple XLR cable is perfectly fine. The problem arises when you need to connect a consumer device or another unbalanced source to a pro audio device, such as a mixer. A common mistake is to use an adapter to convert 3.5 millimeter connectors, RCA connectors, or other unbalanced connectors to XLR. But all this really does is change the connector type without giving you the benefits of an XLR cable. If you run that cable more than about 5 to 8 meters, or 15 to 25 feet, it's going to get very noisy because it's still an unbalanced connection. What you really need is some sort of DI box like this Radial Pro AV2, or an interface like this Radial USB Pro. Devices that are capable of utilizing the XLR connections the way they're intended. In a moment, I'll be showing you a few options that I recommend based on the situation, and you can find links to each one of those in the description below the video. First, I want to take a quick look at what balanced audio is and why it's so important when you're running audio signals over a long distance. Later on, I'll get into some of the other benefits of using a device like these instead of an adapter, but the balanced connection is the most important, especially when it comes to long distance. An unbalanced audio connection like RCA, sometimes called phono or cinch connectors, 3.5 millimeter, sometimes called 1/8 inch or mini jacks, and other unbalanced outputs are intended to be used for very short distances. In an unbalanced connector like this one, there are two contacts. One is connected to ground, and one carries the signal referenced to ground. Note that there are 3 contacts on a 3.5 millimeter connector, but these are most commonly used for stereo signals, with a signal wire for the left channel, a signal wire for the right channel, and a ground wire. Over long distances, these wires can act as antennas, which will induce nearby electromagnetic noise onto the audio signal.